Well, it's a very profound question. I would like to say that when I pray, I feel myself closer to God, closer to my Creator, closer to my Maker, to whom I have to go one day after I pass away from this world. So that prayer is actually the essence of religion. The religion, Islam, tells me that worship is the main objective for which human beings have been created. And the prayer is actually the essence of worship. It is like a communion with God. But I must say that the word communion may not be sufficient to describe the feelings. It is like going to someone who listens, who cares, who is very close to you, and the one who is fully competent to grant your prayers. So with that conviction, when I pray, I am very much sure that I am praying to that God who is close to me, who listens to me, and who will respond to me. He will accept that prayer. He is the master. He may not accept, but I have all the feelings at the time of the prayer that if I am honest, if I am fully submissive, and if I really put myself at the threshold of my God, my Creator, then He would very graciously accept the prayer. So it is a moment when you have to simply open up your heart and be just utmost honest to God in your prayer. And also a sort of commitment that, oh my God, I am begging from you, I am asking you, I am beseeching you. But at the same time, I commit myself that I will be honest to you. I will listen to your commands. I will obey you. I am a human being. I am a weak person. You are the mightiest. I may make mistake, but you are the forgiver. So all the beautiful attributes of God, which Islam has taught me, they come to my mind one by one. And recalling all these things to my mind, I simply say, and I do say, that, oh my God, having all these good qualities, be merciful to me, and accept me, and forgive me, and enable me to become really true servant. A true servant of God is the beloved of God, and I wish and pray that I should become one of them.